So today's February 9th. Tomorrow, that gravel will be put in here. The concrete crew is coming out to level this all out to make preps for the concrete to be poured, which will be, I don't know, a month or so from now. We got a lot of prep work to do once this gravel goes down, like laying pipe and whatnot. But we're so excited about this. This is one more step towards getting our local food producing battleship out of the harbor. So I'm gonna do some clips of the process tomorrow as the guys work. So check it out. Take care. So what's being dug out right there is for our walk-in freezer. We're going to be putting in a floating floor. And what that is we've got some freezer panels we're going to put on the ground and then pour concrete on that to insulate the freezer. And the panels are right there. So we'll be lifting those big things in a minute. They're 4 foot by 18 foot. They'll be pretty heavy. So that's a wrap for today. It's 4 o'clock. The concrete guys just left. Now I gotta go work my day job. Took a lot longer than thought, but we got it done. Now the next step is plumbing and then have them back out to do the concrete. But looking good.